mission is to help you succeed as a real estate professional. During these challenging times, we are proud to be able to serve you remotely in every way possible.
Your Realtor store is open by appointment only, providing you with products you need to continue to do business.
The tech department is working with you to fix problems remotely, answer questions, and offer technical support to help you in your day-to-day business.
We are here to help keep your listing compliant in every way.
Our goal is to provide an amazing member experience in the new normal.
Our classes are now being offered virtually.
And we have hundreds of pre-recorded webinars to help you fine-tune your skills.
The marketing department is always communicating with you
via social media
and video
and a variety of newsletters and emails.
Member Services is here to answer your calls and provide assistance with a smile.
We are available to conduct mediations for you and your clients.
We have made changes and technology enhancements to keep your business running smoothly.
We're making sure the Realtor voice is being heard in Washington, D.C., Sacramento, and your local city halls.
And that you have the stats and information needed to tell your real estate story.
Although our offices are closed and staff is working remotely,
our vision has remained constant. We will continue to provide great service and support to help you succeed.
If you have any questions, you can reach us by email, chat, or phone. We are here to help.
We are Faith